Welcome to today's video. We are in Alfalterbach, Germany. No, we're not. This is a Mercedes focus video. That's right. We have 3 Benzes in front of us and 3 of the best-selling wheel brands. So if you want to learn how to style your Mercedes, this is the video for you. Who do we have today?
It's the top 3 brands is Lexani, Road Force wheels, and Giovanna wheels.
Absolutely, guys. Stick around. This video is going to be a banger. Let's go.
Beamer, Benz, Bentley. Beamer, Benz, Bentley. Beamer, Benz, Bentley. My jeans are never empty. Beamer, Benz, Bentley. Beamer, Benz, Bentley. Beamer, Benz, Bentley. Your scheming don't affect me.
So kicking things off, we have Lexani. Now, right here we have an S580. This is a glorious, beautiful white Mercedes, and with it, we have a set of black and white Lexani Hypers. This thing looks incredible. Now, next to it, we also have the Lexani Wraith and the Lexani Aries. All 3 of these wheels are really amazing wheels for the S-Class. Now, why is that, Anthony?
Also just because of the fitment, everything that Lexani does is custom built to the car specifications. So you're gonna get, rest assured, a correct fitment for your S-Class or any other Mercedes that you have. They have good caliper clearance.
Absolutely.
And also have options with floating caps, non-floating caps, you choose. This is the Wraith XL, so it has the big cap in the middle.
You can cut and paste these however you like. As you see, we have a white Mercedes with black and white wheels. It looks fantastic. But if you have another color or something you want to do like that, we can make that happen. And all of these wheels suit this car because it's a big car and you want a wheel that has a kind of presence and statement like these ones do right here.
Let's show them the Valor on the other side, because we have the Valor. So same color, which is the black and white, but this has more spokes, more mesh. It gives it a whole different look. You know, everyone's...
Absolutely.
It has different tastes, very subjective.
Well, maybe you want something a little more luxurious and flashy, and that's where you go with these, or something a little bit more sporty, show off the calipers. Maybe you have custom painted brake calipers. You want to show that off. The other spokes are going to do that better. So it really is up to you, but you can transform the look of an S-Class into any which way you like, which is what the best part is.
Lexani does that so well just because they have a little bit of everything for everyone. This Benz is typically all Mercedes, even the S63. They all run 22.9 with 255/30 22. The back is 10.5 with the 305 25 22. You can still lower it or keep it stock and still be fine with that same setup. Honestly, it's an easy setup for Mercedes, and it doesn't have to be an S-Class. It can be any type of Mercedes.
You can put this on an E-Class, and if you want to go down a size, you can put it on a C-Class, you can put it on a CLA, whatever you want to do.
GLC, they even have those for G-Wagons.
Absolutely.
To point out, our best-selling wheel right now from Lexani is that Aries. I love that wheel, man.
Absolutely.
I love this design.
Now the chrome for me is what really stands out. I love chrome, especially a luxury car like this.
Look at the change it does. Look at that. See what chrome does? Like, it's crazy.
Absolutely.
And all this is in stock. Check our website out, AudioCityUSA.com. You can check everything, see what fits, what doesn't fit. It'll all help you out.
If you thought this was cool, stay tuned because we have a couple more fitments coming. We have a few more cars coming, and I think you're gonna find that amazing as well. Not to mention, Lexani right now does have free shipping on the wheels. Don't tell them I told you that, but give us a call and we can hook that up. Next up, we have the Giovanna family of wheels. Their fitment is great for Mercedes. In this case, we have the China Blue S-Class on the Capon. Now, this thing looks great on this Benz, but we also sell them on everything. We put them on Model 3s, Model S's, a lot of EVs, but a lot of other cars as well. BMWs, everything. Now, if you didn't know about the family tree and what's going on with the Giovanna family, well, we have Coco, who's right over there. We also have Janelli and Giovanna. These are the main ones. Now, Anthony, what are these wheels that we have sitting right here?
This one is the Coco Couture Sicily, and this is the Giovanna, as Americans would say, is Dicato. It's Diciotto. It's Italian for 18. This one comes in 24, 26, and in 22. This wheel reminds me of, like, is it that Maybach look? That,
absolutely.
Like full face wheel design.
And not to mention, it looks great on an S-Class, but it also looks great on a G-Class. The G-Wagons look amazing with these wheels. People love them. I love them.
Full gloss black machine.
Oh yeah.
Very popular design. We keep these in stock, so we have them ready to go. If you want to check them out on the website, see the pricing, you can check that out. AudioCityUSA.com. The Sicily also comes with machined accents around it or all black like this one.
Now, taking you guys from an all black look, on the other side of the China Blue S63, we have something that's a little less black. We have this amazing set of wheels right here. Let's get a closer look at these. What do we have here, Anthony?
These are the 22-inch Janelli Cabo. Now, this is a brushed silver. It does come in full black. Gloss black is our most popular actually in the website. Also comes in 10.5. You can see the concave in the back. We keep these in stock as well. Very popular design because that multi-spoke gives it that very luxury look. which the Mercedes screams. This S-Class screams luxury.
No, absolutely. And on that, something I'd like to point out is in here, we have floating center caps. They're weighted, it hangs down, the name stays upright, and I think it looks really elegant. It hides the lug nuts too.
You can actually have the small cap or the big cap, so it's optional to the customer,
Absolutely.
whatever one they want.
Now, something I would also like to point out about these wheels is they're the exact same size as the ones on the other side, but like an optical illusion that often happens is black wheels look smaller. They're the exact same size, but you wouldn't know.
Giovanna has other designs too. That's why they're so popular for Mercedes. That's why we're highlighting them, because of their selection, their colors, and the fitment is really good as well.
Absolutely.
All this stuff is very subjective. That's why you have to go on our website, check out the design so you can kind of get an idea. That's why we're doing this. You guys get a better perspective of what wheel looks good on other cars. So you can choose what wheel you want, because everyone's different.
Absolutely. Now that we've seen this wheel, we hope you enjoyed it. We're going to take you to the road force. Let's go. Now, the third and final car we have for you today is the E-Class, specifically the E53 on road force. So on this side, we have the RF22, and on the other side, we have the RF30. These wheels look absolutely amazing. They're 22-inch, so slightly up from factory size, but you can still see you got a lot of sidewall. Now, these road forces give you a lot of road presence, and I think they look amazing on this car.
I do too. This setup is a 22.9 with a 265/30/22. The rear is a 10.5 with the 315/25/22. It just looks good on this car, man. Like the E53 just looks good.
Absolutely, and that's hard for us to say considering this is Rick's car, so we want to be critical, but you can't when it looks this good.
Yeah, he's even thinking about getting these. And you know what? Rotorforce is such an underrated wheel manufacturer. They do so well. They make such good designs. Their pricing is like, it's there. And
amazing.
It's not because it's a cheap wheel, it's just, they do that so it's just more affordable to people, right? There's S63s, Maybachs with these wheels, Porsche, Panameras, all sorts of high-end vehicles running their wheels. They have good designs, pricing's great, quality's there. And that's why they're number 3 with the top Mercedes. Fitment is always on point. Wheels come blank too, so we can drill and shape to anything you want. Like for instance, a GLC, the G-Class, which is a 5130 bolt pattern. They have them blank so we can get them drilled to anything that you have.
Now, come over here, because on the other side, it's like a night and day difference. This car has this like stone color, but it's got silver, black, and the wheels on this side are black. So these are the RF30s, the exact same size that we have on the other side, but a completely different look, and they play into different parts of the car. So the other side plays into the door handles and the vents, where this side you're looking at more the mirror caps, the side skirts, and everything else. So each element kind of sets itself off in a different way.
Yeah, they have the RF13, they have the RF15, the RF22, RF30, and the RF35, RF13, man, all of them. We've done so well with Mercedes, and Roadforce is a really great wheel manufacturers. They stand behind their product, warranty, anything like that. They're always there to help out the customer.
And so now you've seen all the cars here at the garage. Let's see what they look like on the road. We're gonna go to rollers in 3, 2, 1. Now that you guys have seen all of the different fitments we have here today, which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Personally, my favorite has to be the white on black. There's nothing more bespoke and unique than that. But what about you?
Bias to silver, so I'll go with the Cabos.
Oh, you like the China blue?
Yeah,
huh?
but this one looks good too. Either one.
Absolutely.
All three manufacturers make great wheels for any Benz. I think, you know, Road Force, Giovanna, and Lexani. Whichever one you do, they have a little bit of everything for everybody.
Absolutely, guys. And if you liked what you saw here today, or you have something else in mind, give us a call at the number below or go to AudioCityUSA.com. We are the fitment experts for a reason, and we ship all across the US. And if you don't call, Anthony will come and find you in your sleep.
I will not go do that. No.
He's lying. But either way, like, subscribe, and stay tuned. We bring out new videos all the time. So what are you doing? Go and click that button, and we'll see you guys in the next one.